Insert 2 decoders into the machine. Install car key clamp and then fix calibration block on it. Press Setup button and then press first Next button to enter the calibration interface. Press Start button to calibrate the distance between decoder and cutter. Click the image of Change tool to decoder. Ready? To continue the calibration, disassemble the car key clamp, then fix the tubular key clamp. Click the icon on the screen to do calibration. Press the Close button to go back to home page, and then press Setup button to the device setup interface. Press Decoder button and choose Dimple key clamp to calibrate the decoder length. Remove the right decoder and install cutter. Now, the calibration is done.